Hi guys, and how are you doing? Welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to show you guys how to braid down hair tips, okay? Be it box braid or knotless braid, as long as the hair you're making is going to end in a tip, you have to secure it. So I'm going to be showing you guys the style I call the twist to finish method, okay? So it's very easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to braid to the point where I feel I should secure the hair, and I'm going to divide the hair, the strand that I have in the middle, into two and add it to the both strands I have in my hand. So the strand that I have on my left hand side, I'm just going to twist it in, while the strand that I have on my right hand side, I'm going to twist it out. So I'm going to pick the strand that I have on my right hand side and start dropping it on my index finger. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this motion until I get to the last part of the hair. It's also important to note that you have to make your twist very tight. That is the only way that the hair is going to stay firm and secured. Okay, so you just have to continue until you get to the last part, and by the time you dip it in hot water, it's going to lock in. So the next method I'm going to show you guys is the method I call the braid to finish method. This method is very easy also. All you have to do is to continue braiding the hair that you're already braiding until you get to the last part, and you just tie a knot on the end of the braid. I'm just going to show you. So here I feel like I should be securing the hair right now. So I'm going to take the strand, okay, that is on my right hand side, and I'm going to make a loop with that strand, crossing the loop on top of my thumb, my left thumb, and I'm going to just slide the tail of the hair inside and pull it out to make a tight knot. So that is the two methods that I use in securing my braids. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.